Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm so excited because I'm going to share to you the upcoming Louis Vuitton bags. I'm going to share everything, so make sure you watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Soaking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account as Aramir52. Hi guys, happy to share upcoming Louis Vuitton bags that will be released June 2023. Prices, SKUs, and launch date are all included. Kindly take a screenshot and show to your CAs. Thank you to Foxy LV, Matt D, Brittany LV, Aloha Lux Mama, and LVX Val for sharing these. Happy shopping guys! Alright, so let us start first with the By the Pool collection part 2. So launch date is June 2, 2023. The very first one is this very beautiful On The Go PM. Price is 3,200 USD. So guys, what do you think of this new By the Pool collection? We have discussed this previously, but now we have better photos and we have the prices. Still under the same collection, we have the Speedy Bandolier 25. Price is 2,420. So what I love with this By the Pool collection, I love the colors. The colorway that they have chosen is very cooling to the eyes. I am a fan of the giant monogram that they have used. Next, we have this very beautiful OMG Pochette Metis. Price is 2,770 USD. So again, as mentioned earlier, this is what I love about this collection. Just look at this colorway combination. Very suiting for the summer season. Then we have the Neverfull, so price is 2,560. So same colorway, so we are going to see the degradé effect of the giant Louis Vuitton logos and flowers, and also you're going to check the trims on the leather. It looks like from their previous collection, the Crafty collection, if I'm not mistaken. So we have the Neverfull in this beige colorway. Same price is 2,560 USD. Also guys, please take note of the Neverfull pouch that it comes with. Just look at how beautiful the canvas that they have used for this bag. Next, still we have the Neverfull in the pink colorway. So same price is 2,560. So guys, of all the Neverfulls that is under the By the Pool collection, please comment down below which colorway is your favorite. And then we have the NeoNoe BB. Price is 2,370. So guys, still same launch date of June 2nd. So again, I love this colorway, the blue colorway, the giant LV monogram flowers, and I love that it comes with a detachable top handle strap. Then we have this in beige colorway. Same price is 2,370. So it comes with two straps, so top handle, and one crossbody strap that you could fully adjust. Next, we have this super cute Nano still under or part of the By the Pool collection. Price is 1,910 USD. So comes in the pink colorway. I'm not really sure if it comes with any other colors, but if there are, I would be sharing it soon to our fam here. Then we have the Capucines BB still under the same collection. Please take note of the price, 6,600 USD. So again, launching June 2nd, 2023. Comes in this very beautiful white leather, and just look at the strap, the blue colorway, and the interior is also beautiful. Then we have the Kuzan PM. Price is 4,850 USD. Same launch date. It has a canvas strap. It has the very beautiful chain strap. So I'm not really sure if the twilly comes with, but just look how gorgeous the leather is. Then we have the True Wapiti. Price is 775 USD. So again, launching June 2nd, 2023. Love the giant LV as usual, and it comes with a single strap that you could wear this as a wristlet or as a clutch. And then we have the Pyramid Bliss in Blue, price only at 57,000 USD. Wow, super expensive, but you would be getting 4 trunks in one. So definitely if you are a collector of Louis Vuitton trunk, this would be another good one to add to your collection. Then smaller one, we have the Coffret Resort. First one is in pink. Price is 7,500 USD. So guys, please do comment down below, how do you feel about this seasonal trunk by LV? Honestly, I would be choosing the classic monogram canvas, or if I would be choosing a different design, maybe I would be choosing the reverse monogram. But what do you think, guys, of these new monogram trunks? So we have here the Coffret Resort in blue. Price is 7,500 USD. Next, still under the By the Pool collection, we have the On The Go PM in this very beautiful beige colorway. Price is 3,200 USD. So again, we are going to see the giant monogram on the entirety of the bag and different design on the top handles. Then this one, super cute. We have the Pochette Kirigami. Price is 915 USD. So I feel if this one would be available in store, this would be flying off the shelf really quickly. Then we have the sunglass case, price at 720 USD. So now we are going to check the SLGs under the By the Pool collection. Then we have the Elizabeth pouch, price at 565 USD. Then we have the Clemence notebook, price at 310 USD. So it comes in the blue colorway. How beautiful this is. So I'm not really sure if it would come with the pink or the beige colorway. Then we have the Tapis exercises. Price is 1,960 USD. So if I'm not mistaken, this is their yoga mat. So we could see that it comes with the vachetta and the tag as well. We have, of course, bag charm under the By the Pool collection. So firstly, we have the mirror bag charm, price at 630 USD. So we are going to see the front and back detail. Next, we have the mirror bag charm in the cute pink colorway. So price is 630 USD. And then we have the rolling luggage. So unfortunately, guys, I don't have the price for this one. Then we have the new cosmetics pouch PM. Price is 680 USD. So very cute colorway and the size is very cute too. Next, let us check out the launching Alma BB. So all of these would be launching June 2nd, 2023. The first one in this very beautiful orange colorway. Price is 2,370. So please take note that the strap that this would come with would be the non-adjustable but very beautiful canvas strap. So second, we have this in like a periwinkle color. Also, I would like to share that the canvas strap can be used in both ways, just like the regular leather canvas strap that you could purchase separately from the store. Next, Alma BB in this very minty pistachio color. Same price is 2,370. So comes with the silver hardware, silver padlock, and we're going to notice that the interior is in the black fabric. Launching June 2nd. And then we have then this very cute like a pink colorway, same price 2,370. So again, we are going to notice that all of the hardwares that they have used for this new Alma BB is in the silver hardware. Guys, they would be releasing this cute Capucines mini. Price is 5,000 euros. So guys, what do you think of this new style and new design? It is cute, guys, honestly. However, it does remind me of the Ghost from Pac-Man, if you are familiar with that cartoon character. So it also comes in this white colorway, same price 5,000 euro. And then we have pieces from the Raffia collection. So first one is the Nano bucket. Price is 2,180. All would be launching June 2nd, 2023. So again, the entire material is Raffia and it comes with black leather trims. And then we have the mini pochette accessoire. Price is 915 USD. This is very cute. So what do you think of the Raffia collection? So this again would be released this coming summer. And then we have the NeoNoe. Price is 2,620 USD. Then we have the Toiletry pouch on chain. Price is 1,720 USD. So I am assuming that this Toiletry pouch on chain would also come with the size 15 version. But then again, guys, please don't quote me on that one. I could also be wrong. Then still going back on the By the Pool collection, I'm not going to pronounce the name, but this one is priced at 795 USD. So it is like a bag charm or maybe SLG where you could put your coins or keys perhaps. Then we have the Clooney Mini launching June 2nd, 2023. Price is 2,720. I love that it comes in this very beautiful periwinkle blue epi leather, and we are going to see the LV logo in front. And guys, here is a teaser of the new Macassar collection that would be released June 29, 2023. So what I am loving in this collection, guys, we are going to see Kipal 25. We are also seeing a soft papillon bag and many SLGs. So it comes with the black leather and classic monogram. So before we end our episode, I'm inviting everyone to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!